KCvents, a leading manufacturer in the ventilation and air exchange industry. Established with our factory nestled in Gaoming District, Foshan, Guangdong, we have expanded our operations to include a sales department in Shenzhen and a strategic investment in a manufacturing facility in Zhejiang. Our mission is to enhance indoor air quality across the globe. Our product line, designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients, includes Heat Recovery Ventilator, single-room Decentralized Recuperator, heat exchanger, air curtain, and air handling units. Each product is engineered with precision, incorporating innovative technology to ensure high efficiency and reliability. KCvents possess excellent motor R&D technology. At KCvents, we are proud to serve the domestic Chinese market as our primary focus, with an increasing share of our business coming from exports. This strategic direction has been fueled by the growing demand for high-quality ventilation solutions worldwide. The foundation of our success lies in the exceptional quality of our products paired with competitive pricing. This combination has earned us the favor of customers both at home and abroad. Our commitment to excellence goes beyond manufacturing. It's about creating a healthier and more comfortable environment for everyone. As we look to the future, KCvents is dedicated to continuous improvement and expansion. We aim to lead the industry by setting standards in innovation, quality, and service. Join us on our journey to revolutionize air quality solutions around the world. Thank you for considering KCvents. We are your trusted partner in creating healthier indoor environments. Better air, better generation.